Welcome to Samvad. In our walk of life, we come across a few people who say, I wish someone had given me this piece of advice before I graduated. I would have been in my dream career right now. That is exactly what we here at SEIL are trying to achieve through Samvad, which is a dialogue with our prestigious leaders here at the MIT ADT University campus, wherein we tap into their knowledge and deliver it to you students so that you are enabled to bridge the gap between life at the campus here and the professional life that is waiting for you outside of these gates. Today, we have with us Dr. Rajiv Gode sir, who is the head of the new media department and the training and placement officer of International School of Broadcasting and Journalism. Sir, I would like to welcome you on behalf of the entire team at SEIL.
Thank you, Nirupta.
And sir, I would like to know from you, what are the career opportunities for our students at ISBJ once they graduate?
At ISBJ, we offer four specialization. One is in journalism, second is communication, third in new media, and fourth in strategic communication. So all these specializations have their own job roles, and students have multiple job opportunities in all these four segments. In new media, they can start their own agencies, digital agencies, or they can even work as a graphics designer, web designer, social media marketers, even multimedia content developers. In journalism, they can work in as a reporter, they can go and find information, they can be freelancer as well. In strategic communication, they can work in different organizations, corporate communications, in IT organization, in international organizations. And so each specialization actually have multiple job opportunities. And I say that multimedia as well as the new age technology, if students learn more on that, because this new age is of the technology and the multimedia itself. So they should more focus, though it may be a specialization in journalism or strategic communication, still all is going to be converged into the multimedia and new age technology. So opportunities are ample.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful insight. And, sir, I also wanted to ask you or know from you, what are the skills that will be required for our students to groom themselves?
Actually, at ISBJ, we offer the specialization skills under our syllabus itself, but the lack of some kind of aptitude or professional skills. And here, SCIL plays a very major role. And I really thank to SCIL and entire team of SCIL that they have come up with a very good modules for ISBJ. That those modules will help surely to pursue their careers, and it will surely open up different career opportunities as well as different doors for the job employment as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So we also want to know how the courses that we do here, the aptitude and the professional soft skills, and also their group discussions and PI will help them on the final day of their placements.
Yes. So SCIL offers actually 2 credits at third semester and 2 credits at the fourth semester. And fifth and sixth semester, they are offering non-credit programs. In third semester, for 2 university credits, it is mandatory that the SCIL is actually offering training in terms of aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal skilling. And the second module is about the professional skills, which actually the SCIL staff will train the students in actually job employability skills, communication skills, and soft skills. And in third year, that means that is in fifth and sixth semester, there will be non-credit course, but still those courses are very much important for the student because it covers the mock interviews, mock group discussion, and personal interviews as well. So actually these all three modules will prepare student to face the interviews very confidently. It is not only for the job employability or job employment itself, but if they want to start their own entrepreneurships or like startups, because these skills are common and these are essential skills for any business person or entrepreneur as well. So these skills will surely help students not only to get the jobs, but be ready to start their own organizations as well. And I really thank SCIL to consider ISBJ, and considering the syllabus requirement, they have come up with really good modules. And I want all my students should regularly attend and get benefit of all these programs apart from the ISBJ programs.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us over here from your precious time. You have taken out some time for this Samvad. We thank you all so much. And I hope our students take your advice seriously and help themselves in becoming better professionals.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.